Do you want to monetize your YouTube videos by making viral videos? AI Industrialization is here to help. In this video, you can expect to create something like this.
Mental health awareness is crucial in maintaining overall well-being. Here are some tips for promoting mental health and self-care.
By creating viral videos, you'll be assured that your videos are going to be monetized and be engaged with numerous viewers. In our case, we selected the niche of mental health. Some choose finance, gaming, as well as personal vlogging to be their niche. Welcome to AI Industrialization, your go-to channel for mastering the latest AI tools and technologies. No more fluff. Let's get started. To start, type in dupedub.com. Once in, we'll have to create an account. You can use your Google account or Facebook account. I'll use Google. We're greeted with a homepage filled with different AI features, like AI avatar, voiceover, voice cloning, writing, translation, transcription, video editing, and video downloader. We'll have to create a script first, so let's use AI writing. Once open, just type / and we can select different preset prompts. For this, we'll make use of YouTube video script. Then let's type our target video, which is mental health awareness and self-care tips. That's so amazing! Now let's save this script for later. I'll save it on Google Docs for now. Once done, let's go back to the home page and select AI avatar. For the AI avatar, we'd be able to select a photo, gesture avatar, or generate an AI image. We'll make use of AI avatar that suits best to our topic at hand. This one looks like a doctor. Let's use it. Now for the voice, let's copy and paste a portion of the script that we made to create a sample video. We can also select the voice that we would want to use for our AI avatar. You can customize its accent, gender, as well as age, and more. This is great if you really want to create outstanding content. The voice of Dylan Martin sounds best for me. Now that's done, let's just click Generate Talking Avatar and generate. This AI tool will process it in a few minutes and it will provide us with the output that I've shown earlier, which is this. Now that it's done, let's download it. Friends, if you like what you're seeing so far, consider liking this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos that offer valuable AI tutorials such as this. AI Industrialization values providing useful and helpful content, and more videos will be coming your way, so consider subscribing. Thank you. Now, to make it more better, let's open CapCut to provide a background for AI avatar that is well suited for the topic that we chose, which is mental health awareness and self-care tips. Once we've opened CapCut, upload the media that we have just generated and paste it on the timeline. Now, we would want our AI avatar to have a background, and we have to remove the white background that it has. To do that, we'll just have to click on Smart Tools and click Auto Removal. As simple as that. Now that's done, we can now select a specific stock footage that we think suits best to our video. Just click Elements on the sidebar and type in the search bar the appropriate keyword. In this case, we'd type in mental health. This video seems appropriate, let's make use of it. Okay, that's looking good. This is what I want for my video. Let's take a look on how it goes.
Health awareness is crucial in maintaining overall well-being. Here are some tips for promoting mental health and self-care. 1.
And there you have it. You've just created a monetizable viral video in just a few minutes. Congratulations. Friends, that's just it. No fluff, just direct actionable steps. That is what AI Industrialization offers to give in every video that we make. If you enjoyed watching this, consider liking this video and subscribing for more direct tutorials. Browse in our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.